Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PYPL, PayPal. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, PayPal just had earnings, so as of right now, what we're looking at here is the after-hours chart, and currently the price is down around, 181, we'll call it, but it's jumping all around. So my goal here, because the tricky part with this is there's still all of after hours today, and then on Tuesday, there's still all pre-market trading. So where is PayPal actually going to open up? I don't know, but my goal here is to just map out some broader levels, and that way you have an idea of what sort of areas might be the main areas of support or resistance. But right now, the one level that I do want to get mapped out, so like I said, right now you can see that the price is give or take right around the 180 mark. So as of right now, and I'm not saying the price is going to, for sure open up down around there, but it's looking like it's more than valid and more than logical to think that 180 is, in play right now, and it should probably remain in play, which would make sense, right? You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see that this area acted as support, acted as support, acted as support. Now, if the price opens up down below 180, then at that point, and this is just basic technical analysis, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with that, with the price breaking down below that level, that would then be considered an area of resistance. But if the price does ultimately manage to stay up above it, then just realize that 180 is definitely going to be a very important level of support. But in the event the price does not hold above it, then I want to get one more area mapped out that could very well come into play, and that is this area down here around the 176 mark. So 180, 176, two of the very important levels of support. But like I said, to be fair, maybe this thing all of a sudden decides it wants to start to work its way back upwards. So as far as areas of resistance are concerned, let me zoom back in here. Main area of resistances moving forward going to be right here at the 192 mark. And then if, like I said, if there's a crazy turnaround, which, it's a tech stock, you never know with these things. If the price really turns around after 192, next key level would be right up there around the 198 mark. So keep your eye on those general levels, and, you'll base plan those areas around where those, supports, resistance levels actually open up relative to the price movement. But overall, those are going to be the main levels I'm watching, so let's see what happens moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.